Okay, let's start installing R and RStudio for Windows. And I'm going to share my screen here. Okay, so first install R and then we'll install RStudio for Windows. So search for download R print. So search for R print, plan R project here. And now here we are downloading for Windows, and this is R for Windows here. Okay. Now, if we are installing for R for the first time, so install R for the first time. Okay, R for the first time. Now download R for Windows. Now it's downloading here. Now, and similarly, you can also download RStudio here. Download RStudio. And let's say okay, pause it. Okay. Now here RStudio here. Now download RStudio, click here. Download RStudio. Now here we are downloading for the window. For the window is here. You click this one here. And if you need an older version according to your window, so you can click the version here and choose the version, whichever you required here. Okay. So you can see here, the option here, you can choose according to the RStudio here. So this is for the Mac here. Okay. Now, let's go to download folder here. Now, actually, I downloaded the R already here and RStudio also already here. Now, let's run this one. So it is R is downloaded 2 times, so I don't need this one here. Now, to install R, this is R version 4.6.1 for the window and exe file here. So to install R, double click this one here. Okay, then yes. Now follow the instruction. Yes. Next. Now this is the folder R 4.6.1. Next. 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 And this is the R here. Don't create a start menu folder. So if you want, you can put this one, check in here. R. Create a desktop shortcut, create a quick launch. You can put whichever you want here. Next. Now it is installing R here, right? Now R installation is completed, finish here. Now R is already installed. Now, where is R? So you can find your R here. Let's say R. Okay, go to this one folder here. And in folder, you can choose, this is my computer, and see program files. Program files. Here is the R here. It is installed here, right? R. And this is the R version. It is installed here. Now, if you go to the bin here, then you can execute this one R here. You see, let me run this one here. Now you run the R here. You see, now you can do the R command. You can execute here 1+1. This is a print. Hello. Right. Let's say histogram of R norm. Let's say 110. Histogram for normal random variable. Now you have the normal random variable, right? So now R is running. Now to quit this one, Q and open parenthesis, then it will quit here. And save working space. If you want to save the working space, then you save. I don't want to save it, so N. Now it quit here, right? Now R is installed here. Now after R, you will install the RStudio. Now RStudio, I also downloaded here. So I also downloaded here. Now double click this one here, RStudio. Double click here and yes. Next, RStudio installed. Now it is installing here. Okay, now RStudio is finished. So click finish here. Now let's see RStudio here. Now RStudio is installed here. Now click this one here. Now RStudio is running. Okay. No longer exists. Okay, it's no longer. I don't need this one here. Okay. Now, now it has a 4 pins here. 1, 2, right? And then here, click here. Now 3, 4 here. So you can adjust according to your need, and you can adjust here according to your need. Now you can adjust like here, right? Now, this is a console here. This console here. You see this console. Now, every R run will exit here. It's like 1 + 1, 2, right? And print, hello. Like that, right? Now, this is the place where the R execute. And this is the R script where you write the R script here. Let's say the hashtag is a comment in R. Let's say my first R script. Okay. Now, let's say very basic algebra, right? That's right, 1 + 1. Now, this is the sum, right? N - 2, subtract, right? Let's say n power 3 exponent, right? Now, whenever you put somewhere in the cursor, then here to run those things, Here is a run button here. Now run. Now it execute in the console here, right? Now run. Now subtract here. Run this one here. Now let's say as we did in previous, let's say do the, let's say R num, so histogram of normal variant. Normal random. Okay. Histogram and R norm. R norm will draw random number from normal, NORM. And let's say you would like to draw 110, right? Now put the cursor here somewhere in the, now in a line number 12 here, right? Then you can run here, or you can press Control Enter, then it will also run. Now it will show it here, right? Histogram. Now that's how the RStudio is running here. Now in the tool, go to the tool here, global option. Now there are 4 panes here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can change your layout here. Let's say the console is here, source is here, environment and plots and packages here. You can change according to your required. Okay, so let's say if you want the source here, now source is here and console is here, right? Now if you want to change this one, you can also change like this one here, required. Okay, I will prefer to put the console here, so it's console here, then apply and okay, right? Now one thing you can also do, one is here now, set working directory here. Default working directory, you can set a default working directory, browse this one. Let's say my default working directory is desktop, or you can choose the folder whichever is required. Now desktop here, and now the desktop is a working directory, and apply and okay. Now you can check the working directory by getwd, get working directory, and run this function here. Now this is the working directory. Okay. Now it is in the red. It means that this whichever this RStudio file, it is not saved. Now you can save this one, save, and provide here R file name, my first R script. Now it will save here, save. Now it is saved here. Okay. Okay, so and that's how it is done here. Now to quit here, you can just Q, it will to quit this one and execute enter. Now it quit here. Okay, so I will stop here and I will stop. Okay.